Hello guys, welcome you to another beautiful video.
Okay, firstly, remove background. Then go to Filter and convert to Smart Filter. Now go to Filter again and select Stylize and Oil Paint. Adjust the values like this and press OK. Do it 7 times or press Ctrl plus Alt plus F keys for 7 times. Now go to Adjustments and select Shadows and Highlights. Adjust the values like this. Now go back to Adjustments and select Threshold. Now create a duplicate layer. Go to Threshold and balance the value. Now create a white layer as the background. Press Ctrl, Shift and E buttons together. Okay guys, now we can add our design to this frame. Now select all and copy. Then paste and adjust the size to fit the frame. Okay guys, now we can see our final design. Do you want your design like this? Then contact us.